Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Moto G04 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how to turn off sidebar on phone Moto G04. If you are swiping near the edge of your screen on that is near power button or volume buttons here like this, some shortcuts will be opened. Okay, if you would like to turn off this feature, yes, you can do it. What you got to do is go to settings of your phone, go to settings, then go to gestures, and here select sidebar and turn off this button, use sidebar. Hereafter, if you swipe near the edge of the screen near power button, there will not be any shortcut features opening. Okay, because sidebar is already now turned on, turned off. Okay, so sidebar is deactivated. In this way, you can easily turn off or deactivate sidebar from phone Moto G04. That's all friends, thanks for watching. Bye.